Hey everybody, this is Jeff and Gracie. Because I don't think kids play in the rain enough, we are playing in the rain. Alright, come on kiddo, come on. Come on kiddo. We never play enough in the rain anymore, do we? We never play in the rain enough.
Do you think my feet are big enough?
You got my sandals on.
Yeah, I just noticed it.
Ha! Ha! What? How many parents let their kids play in the rain?
I'm playing the rain.
Yeah, okay. Oh! Look at that. I'm pulling like all this majestic, hidden dragon type stuff. Huh? I got dreams, kiddo.
No, you don't.
You don't want to throw it towards the street though, kid. Hey, there's a car. Oh! Ha! Ha! Ah! Ha! 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 Woohoo! Come on, kiddo. What's the matter? You done got it. You are a weakling. Hello. Ha! Ha!
You suck!
What the heck? What was that? We don't say things like that.
Oh, well,
You lost the single.
no. That was mine.
Hey, Mike. Quit throwing it. She keeps throwing it. This is us playing in the rain. You know, who cares? We play in the rain. Come on, kid. Bring it on. Let's go. We have fun out here. Come on now. Come on now. If you're cold, why didn't you wear a longer shirt?
What?
I don't know why you didn't wear a jacket.
Well, maybe.
Hi!
I get that shit that sticks out.
Hey, I have fun playing in the rain.
Unless you wet your pants.
I know, isn't it great?
Oh my god.
Too bad I'm not going to look down.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness.
When you were you.
Oh my goodness, oh my goodness.
I would feel embarrassed about it. I can't even play against you because who knows? You probably peed on that sword and stuff.
You mean where you hit me with the freaking Meshuggah stick?
You said you wasn't going to work down, so look down.
See, the problem is these hurt now because they're wet. You don't believe me? Watch. What? I don't have to move. You're not even hitting hard.
You're smacking me with that.
You see what I'm talking about?
Smack me with that.
Really? You just threw it at me.
Finally!
Ah, you threw it at me. See?
It's like the best time out. Okay. I'm hungry.
Ah. Oh, you still missed. Yo, pick it up.
I can't. That's you.
Are you saying I would do something mean? Hey, Andrea. Say hi to Andrea and Mike.
Hi, Mike.
This is Facebook. Everybody wonders what we do. Do we have fun or not? Having fun in the rain.
Hey, let me just shoot it at your sword.
No! You are evil. Why are you so evil? Why are you evil, child? Take your anger out. Come on now. Take your anger out. Oh! Come on. Come on now. Don't throw, though.
You're too weak for me, so I can't do that.
Where are you going, Grace? Why are you so scared?
I don't want to hurt you.
Wow, big talker, fast walker. Means you're a scaredy cat.
Big chunk, you butt.
What? What are you talking about? No, Calgon, take me away. Oh, whoa, you think you're all cool like that?
Yeah, I do.
I'm cool like
You
that.
have a problem with that?
Come on now.
You have to limp.
I'm not limping.
Yes, you do. You have to limp.
Then you should lay down and play dead. No. You still threw it. Hey, Marky. Hey, Gregoire. What?
You have to limp.
Hey,
Limp.
let's do a double pup.
Limp.
Huh?
Limp.
Wow. This is what I deal with, everybody. Everybody else is hiding in a basement. We're outside playing in the rain. I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing, but oh well.
Yeah, limp.
No, you missed. You still missed. How do you think you got over there? And you got it dirty. You're a weirdo.
Limp.
Why? You haven't got me yet.
Your arm. You can't.
No.
Limp.
That means you'd be dead by now. You cheat anyway. You cheater. You're a cheater.
That's me why Limp.
How about I not limp? How about I play back?
No,
Why are you running? Why do you keep running? Scared you. Pick it up. Pick it up. Come on, kiddo. Let's go. One more round, then we're done. Fine. Go get something to eat. Here, put this away. So while everybody else is hiding from the tornado, Grace and I, we are playing in the rain. You think I'm stupid or something? I don't think so. Put it away.
Yay!
Wait, put it away. You cheater.
I love this part.
You little cheater. You are a little cheater. Hey.
Dad, you have to do one leg.
You are a little cheater. You're a little cheater. I don't have it. You put. Oh, run, kid, run. She's mine. Alright, we're just having fun. Hey, get the sandals! No crap, they're my sandals.